Luscombe Motors Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this 19-plate Kia Picanto GT-Line. The car is finished in titanium silver metallic and has red sporty accents to the front grills and red accents to the side, which really gives the car that sporty feel. The car looks fantastic in the titanium silver. It really does shimmer in the sun. And to finish that off, we have 16-inch dual tone alloy wheels. This car is packed with extras, which we will go into in a few moments. But you have rear tinted windows, the GT line logo on the back, more red accents on the rear diffuser, and dual exhaust. The previous owner really kept this car in tip-top condition. It does look superb. Fantastic inside and outside, as you will soon see. So let's have a look inside the car. So as you approach the car, we have keyless entry, and opening the car you have a light, spacious interior for a small car, mostly because of the sunroof letting the extra light in. Finished with heated leather seats with red accents. Red accents along the door cards and red stitching on the steering wheel. Really does give this car that sporty feel. So looking at the dashboard, once again everything immaculate condition. On the centre console there we have a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which incorporates satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio streaming. Looking further down we have climate control, heated seats passenger side and driver's side, 5-speed manual gearbox. Looking towards the steering wheel, on the left hand stalk, auto headlights. On the left hand side of the steering wheel there we have voice activation, your volume buttons, telephone answering and hang up buttons. On the right hand side we have a mode switch and your cruise controls. The car has done 12,520 miles, as you can see. On the driver's door card there, folding wing mirrors. Absolutely stunning example of a Kia Picanto GT line. I really do not expect this car being here very long, so if you'd like to book a test drive, please do give us a call. It's 0113 271 2288. Look forward to seeing you, and thank you for watching the video.